mate thought I was mad.
Going to school in the summer holidays? Aye, right, dead on.
But the Gaeltacht is more than that. It's something else. We get up really early for breakfast. About 9. We'll have free time too. So we hang about with our mates seeing who fancies who. We'll start classes at 10. You can really get a hang of Irish here, because we speak it all the time. We get a big lunch at 12 back at the house and go to the college for 2. Sometimes we'll walk along the beach or play puck fada. We get a big feed at 5:30, and at 8 there's usually something on, like a ceilidh, a talent show or a fancy dress disco. There's like 10 kids in the house. It's like a big sleepover. It is really sad when you have to leave. You burn your lamps out because the friends you make here, they're friends for life.
Domhan Mór na Gaeilge, the big world of Irish. Talk to your child's teachers about doing Irish for GCSE or even attending a course in the Gaeltacht during the summer. You just never know how great that Domhan Mór na Gaeilge, the big world of Irish, could be for your child.